welcome to my room.
It's not just your room, you know, it's ours as well.
Yeah, you always forget about us because you always look us outside the window. And I'm an orangutan and I have feelings too, you know. And you, why am I outside here again anyway? Because you've been swinging on the furniture when I've said not to. Hey, when did I do that? I've never swung on the furniture. Don't you remember? And I'm swinging on the furniture and the wall! Oh yeah, it's amazing what you can do with a bit of imagination and a YouTube video and Windows Movie Maker to make a film and then make it go and stuff like that, because I can't do things like that because I'm an orangutan, even though they're quite funny. But just please let me in, please, I don't...
Oh, please let me in, please, 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 please,
Shut
please. Okay.
Well, okay, I suppose so. Oh my god, thank you, you're the best in the world. Oh, I'm just gonna come out to you now. Ah!
Thank you very much. Oh, you're my best friend. Finally, I have friends. It was
Okay.
cold out
Okay.
there. It was
Okay,
cold.
there.
The rain weather.
Okay,
I need a shower.
Okay, it's okay now.
Okay. Hey, what about the others?
What others? Yeah, you forgot about us, the chicken.
I'm a chicken and you forget about me. Yeah, I'm a cute little puppy. You forget about the cute little puppy, don't you?
Oh no. Yeah, you always forget about the chicken and
Yeah, cute little puppy.
you always forget about us and you always have to bring in the orangutan. You always have to remember, and plus we're getting bored out here, we're making chicken dogs. Yeah. Okay, you can come in.
One.
Oh yay, finally a bit of common sense from people. Yeah, good, so I might have got STD. Uh-oh.
You flying dog.
That flying chicken.
Hey, what about me? I always get left out. Big hug. Say